Hi everyone, let us see one important and difficult question related to river boat. So in case of river boat, when a boat started its initial journey at an angle theta with vertical, so VBR is the velocity of boat with respect to river, then due to river velocity, so there is some drift in the forward direction, it may not reach the opposite point. So there is some drift x. So what is the condition for x should be minimum? And what is that x minimum possible? Because it can go to any distance. So under what condition this drift will become minimum? So here we will use minima and maxima condition. Nothing but differentiation. First order differentiation should become 0. So the concept is river boat, motion in 2 dimension. Now let's take what is x formula, drift velocity. You will take the components like this is VBR cos theta, this is VBR sin theta, and this is VR. So the x displacement is x velocity. What is the resultant x velocity? VR minus VBR sin theta into time taken. Time to cross the river in general case is what? Width of river by vertical component VBR cos theta. This is the drift, horizontal drift. Now the question they are asking is x should be minimum. Here what is the variable? Theta is variable. You can start your journey at any angle. So by changing theta, x should become minimum means dx by d theta should become 0. So dx by d theta should become 0 means first order differentiation should become 0. So take the differentiation. Differentiation of this is one function, this is another function. Like differentiation of u by v. So v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx whole divided by d square. If you go for the differentiation like dx by d theta equal to d is constant, take it. Now this is like u VBR sin theta into differentiation of this u. This is u, this is v. So this differentiation 0 minus VBR sin theta differentiation is cos theta minus u into u is this one VR minus VBR sin theta into differentiation of v, that is VBR cos theta. VBR into differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta whole divided by v square VBR whole square cos square theta. Now this should be equal to 0. If you equate it to 0, so what condition you will get it is sin theta equal to VBR by VR. Then what is the cos theta condition will become under root VR square minus VBR square by VR. Because this is sin theta means what is cos theta? Under root 1 minus sin square theta. So you will get the condition sin theta cos theta. Then this sin theta and cos theta if you substitute here, then you will get x minimum. So x minimum equal to, so here what you will get it is under root VR square minus VBR square into d by VBR. So this is what you will get it when you substitute cos theta and sin theta. So what is this? Minimum drift. So what is the condition for minimum drift? Sin theta is this much or cos theta is this much. Where theta is what? The initial direction of motion for the boat. So this is how you can use the minima maxima condition in various situations when the variable can be maximum or minimum, as we discussed in previous cases also. So what mathematical phenomena we have used? Differentiation. So if you know the differentiation, then only you can understand, because you should know this formula, you should know the differentiation of sin or cos. So that's why mathematics is important. Thank you.